So hello guys, hello everyone, good morning guys, and once again guys, welcome back to your own channel Unacademy Karnataka PUC. So ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ guys, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? I hope everyone is doing quite fine guys, quite great. So ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ, ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅಸ್. ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಗೈಸ್ ನಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಟು ದೋಸ್ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ಯು ಹು ಆರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 6 years, ಕಳೆದ 6 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ PU ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಿಗೆ ನಾನು ರಿಲೇಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ PUC ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಗೈಸ್, like I told you, we'll be learning about sets. So sets is a very easy topic, not at all a difficulty with respect to whatever it is that you will be looking in. First PUC basic mathematics ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸು almost closely related to each other. Okay, so first of all guys, let us initially look at what the father of the nation ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಸ್. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲಿವ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವೇರ್ ಟು ಡೈ ಟುಮಾರೋ, ಲರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವೇರ್ ಟು ಲಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು? ನಾವು ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ಗೈಸ್, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನೋ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಏನೋ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಇವತ್ತೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ, ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇರೆದು ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ದಿಸ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಟ್ ದಿ ಫುಲ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡಿ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಕೆಲಸ, ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಕೆಲಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು? ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೈಸ್. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಆ ಬೇಸಿಸ್, ಆ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಕಲಿಯುವಾಗ, ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹೌದಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಗಳಿಸಬೇಕು? ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಟೈಮು ಜೀವಂತವಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾಲೆಜನ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತು ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಿನ ಅರ್ಥ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಎ ಟ್ರೂ ವರ್ಡ್ ಗೈಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಎ ಟ್ರೂ thought that has been given to us by the great Mahatma Gandhiji. Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. Correct. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟು ದೋಸ್ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ಯು ಹು ಆರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ. ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಅನ್ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ PUC. And about Telegram guys, about our Telegram channel UN Karnataka PUC, of course ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡೆಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ PDF ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನಿ queries, any questions, any notifications related will definitely be uploaded. Okay, so now let us start up with the topic today guys. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟಾಪಿಕನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. So just we are going to look into few questions today. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು 2-3 questions ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ the topic of sets will be completely over only. Okay now. See guys, relations and functions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ. Relations and functions are sets also very closely related to each other. And Cartesian product, ಓಕೆ, ಕಾರ್ಟೇಷಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾರ್ಟೇಷಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Okay, so many among you might be able to know what Cartesian product is, guys. Okay, Cartesian product ಗುರುತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ. Of course in the relations and topic class guys ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು cover up ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So once again I'll be solving certain questions and of course I'll explain once again about what Cartesian product is, because Cartesian product ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ರೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, so today we are going to look at 2 marks questions guys. 2 marks questions, basic questions anna nodona, because in examination on the basis of sets basically 2 mark questions ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿ ಬರುವುದು. But of course in form of a roster method and rule method ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So students will generally get confused, so that is why I am considering the 2 mark questions today. Okay guys, here this is a question that we have here. Okay, write the following sets in roster form. Okay, write the given following sets in roster forms. Actually they are given in the roster forms guys. Idanna now simple normal form, that is the rule form alli baribeku. See here, so just a typical representation guys. Illi ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು ನಮಗೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಟ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಸೆಟ್ ಎ which has been given as x, such that x is what? It is an integer in between -3 and 7. Okay, -3 and 7 guys. Okay now, so we have to write it in what guys? We have to write it in roster form. Roster form that is the normal method guys. Normal method alli ಇದಕ್ಕೆ set builder form ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, build up ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ we call it as set builder form. Okay, set builder form. Normal form is also known to be the according to clear elements. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ roster form ಅಂತ normal form ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so just here what we are going to do, they are asking us to write all the integers in between -3 and 7. Okay, which are the integers in between -3 and 7 guys? Okay, all the integers we have to just write them down. So which are the integers here? First can be -3, of course it is less than or equal to, so -3, -2, -1, 0. Please remember 0 is an integer guys. 0 is an integer. Integers, so there are 2 types of integers. First are the positive set of integers and then it is the negative set of integers, and including 0 ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 0 then it is +1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, sorry, 7 will not come here because what they are asking is less than 7. Okay, but there are 2 conditions here, less than or equal to. Okay, if it is equal to then we can take in the value of 7. Okay, less than ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ 7 include ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. If it is less than or equal to, then it will be the case of what guys? It will be the case of inclusion. Okay, 7 anna now include ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. And then second question here, b, x is a natural number less than 6. Okay, just we have to write down the elements here guys. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ರೂಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 6. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೈಸ್? ನಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1 ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ 1 2 3 4 5 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, 6 ಬರಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 6 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ from 1 guys, naturally occurring numbers. Okay, so now let us consider the next question guys. See, sets is a very easy topic guys, not at all a difficulty you should have here in this topic, but if you do difficulties idre comment section alli heli guys. See, let u is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6. What does u represent here? U andre universal set. Okay, that is the union set anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. And set A is given as 2 3, set B is given as 3 4 and 5. Find the value of A dash, B dash, A dash intersection B dash and A union B, and we have to show that A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Okay, very simple question, just it appears to be lengthy guys. Nodi, first of all what we need here guys, we need the values of A dash, we need the values of B dash. A and B are already given. So what do you mean by A dash guys? A dash is nothing but the complementary of set A. Complementary, what does complementary mean? Whichever elements are present in set A, they should be eliminated and the remaining elements are to be written down. Set A alli iruvantaha ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಉಳಿದಿರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವುದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ here in the union set, and always remember guys, with respect to union set we can write in complementary elements. Okay now, so 2 and 3, apart from 2 and 3 what are the remaining elements? 1 4 5 and 6. Okay, so this is what the complementary of the set A will be. And in the same case guys, complementary set B. Okay, complement of a set B, set B alli iruvantaha elements anna ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ 3 4 and 5 they get eliminated, ಇದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆಯಬೇಕು, ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು, those elements will form our complementary set. So 1 2 and 6. Okay, now we have set A, set B, complementary set A, complementary set B. Now what we have to do guys, we have to obtain the relationships. Okay, we have to obtain these relationships. So first of all ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು, A dash intersection B dash. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾವೆ? 1 6. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದರ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೈಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ A and B ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. A ಡ್ಯಾಶು ಮತ್ತು B ಡ್ಯಾಶಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬರಿತೇವೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ. A ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ B ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ 1 6 ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ A ಯೂನಿಯನ್ B ಏನಾಗುವುದು? A ಯೂನಿಯನ್ B ಗೈಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A ಯೂನಿಯನ್ B? ಸೆಟ್ A ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಟ್ B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬರಿತೇವೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ 2 3 4 and 5. 2 3 4 and 5. ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲವೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ರೀ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಇದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್? ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ in the union format are to be eliminated. Okay, ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 1 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, 5 is here and 6. The complementary set A union B whole dash will include what guys? 1 comma 6. So now if you can clearly see here guys, A union B whole dash which is 1 comma 6 is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Okay, 1 comma 6, and they are what guys? They are both 1 and the same. ಎರಡು 1 and the same ಆಗಿನೇ ಇವೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ? ಸೊ ನಾವು let us once again consider next question. See, these questions are very easy and very basic questions, guys. Examinationally for 2 marks or for 3 marks, these questions might be asked. Okay, hence we are solving these questions. Okay. So this is the next question, guys. Nodi, even the question na try madi. Try this question and let me know the answer, guys. So all you have to do is substitute and simplify. Sets ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು difficulty ಬರಬಾರದು ರೀ. Sets ಅಲ್ಲಿ difficulty ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. It is a very easy topic. That is the reason I am telling. Okay, so look at this question, guys. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು, let u, they have given us a union set, they have given us a set A, they have given us set B and C. What we have to find first, look at the elements that you need. A dash union B intersection C dash. We need what, guys? First of all, we need A dash. What is A dash here? Set A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸೆಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ A dash ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So 2, 4 and 6. 2 hoitu, 4 and 6. You have to eliminate. What are the remainder? 1, 3, then 5. It is 7. Correct? 1, 3, 5 and 7 will be the complementary set A. Similarly, we'll take out the complementary set B dash because we might need it. Okay, they haven't asked it here, but let us just write it down. So B has 3 and 5. We have to eliminate 3 and 5 here. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, this is B dash. Now we are going to take in C dash. 1, 2, 4, 7. Eliminate 1, 2, 4 and 7. What are the remainder here, guys? 3, 5, 6. Okay, so these are all the complementary functions. So we'll take in A dash union B intersection C dash. Okay, so what is A dash, guys? I'll write it down. 1, 3, 5, 7. This is A dash union B intersection C dash. Okay, B intersection C dash. What is B here? 3, 5. Set B has been already given to us, guys. That is nothing but 3, 5. Okay, so B intersection C dash, we have to take in the intersection values here, the common values, which are what? 3, 5. 3, 5 are the common values here. So now we need what? We need the union, so which is given by 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so this is the element, guys. These are the elements that we guys needed. Okay now, so now let us come back to the second question. B minus of A union A minus of C. Now this question basically what it appear, guys. Okay, B minus of A. Set B and set A is what you have to consider here. Okay, so see here, guys. B minus of set A. So what do we do here? B minus of A, if you want, out of the set B, guys, we have to eliminate A intersection B. Okay, if we want only set B, what does this mean? Idar artha ಏನು really B minus of A ಅಂದರೆ only set B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. Okay, suppose we have this B here and this set to be set A and B. This will be the common element, right? A intersection B. If you want only B, we have to eliminate this common. ಈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, just B ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. Okay, so what is this one, guys? The B set is given here 3, 5, and then what is A intersection B? Look here, we have been given the sets here. A intersection B. What is the intersection value? Nothing. There is no intersection here. There is no common element. Correct. A intersection B is 0, guys. Null set. Okay. Null set it is. Empty set. So here 3, 5 minus of an empty set will be what? It will be 3, 5. Okay. It is nothing but 3, 5. This is B minus of A, which means only elements B. Now we need A minus of C. So A minus of C. So A minus of C, guys, what is set A here? Set A is 2, 4, 6. First, initially, we'll look into A intersection C. A and C. Intersection value 2, 4, and 6. So intersection values are what, guys? 2 and 4. Okay. Intersection are 2 and 4. So now set A has been given here. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 minus of intersection value, which is 2 and 4, intersection of A and C. So here A minus of C, guys, is given by what? Set A minus of A intersection C. We are eliminating the common values, right? So A minus A intersection C. 2, 4, 6 minus of 2, 4. What will be the remainder, guys? We have to eliminate the common elements here, and the remaining value is 6. Okay. So now what they are asking us in the question, B minus A union A minus C. Okay, they are asking us what? They are asking us B minus A union A minus C. So this will be what, guys? 3, 5 union 6. So what will be the value here? The value will be 3, 5, and 6. Okay, so that is a required set, guys. That will be our required set format. Understood? Any doubts? Doubts idre keli, guys. The questions are really very easy, not at all a difficulty here. Sorry, a difficulty. Okay. Okay, we'll consider one last question, guys, belonging to this topic of set. Okay, the next question, guys, once again a very simple question. Okay, see here, in a survey of 600 students in a school, 150 students were found to be drinking tea, 225 were drinking coffee, and 100 were drinking both tea and coffee. Find how many students were drinking neither tea nor coffee. Okay, find out how many students were drinking neither tea nor coffee. Now remember here, guys, many of the students, this is a very simple question, but many among you make a mistake here, because what you guys think is, see, I'll just focus it here. We already know the De Morgan's formula or law. N of A union B is equals to N of A, number of elements in set A, plus number of elements in set B, minus of number of elements in A intersection B. Okay, so now here N of A represents, let me take that as students who are drinking coffee. So 150 number of students are drinking coffee. So 150 plus of 225 drinking coffee, let us take that to be set B. Okay, so 225 students are drinking coffee, minus of 100 are drinking both tea and coffee. That will be the intersection value, common value. They drink even tea and they drink even coffee. So here what we do here, we have to simplify this one. So this will be what, guys? 225 minus of 100 will be 125. So 125 plus of 150 will be what? That will be 375. Right? Sorry, 275, not 375, 275. Okay, so this is 275. Now many of these students, they think 275 is the answer. Please remember, guys, 275 is what? This is the total number of students who are drinking either tea or coffee. Okay, students who are drinking either tea or coffee, 275 students. Whereas in the question what they are asking us, students who drink neither tea nor coffee, ಟೀನು ಅವರು ಸೇವಿಸಬಾರದು, ಕಾಫಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಸೇವಿಸಬಾರದು, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, 275 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಟೀನು ಕುಡಿಯುವವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಾಫಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕುಡಿಯುವವರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ನೈದರ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೀ nor coffee, then out of the total number of students, which is 600, we have to eliminate those number of students who are having tea and coffee. Correct? If totally 275 students are drinking tea and coffee, okay, on the all the condition basis here, then the remaining number of elements will be what, guys? They will be the number of students who are neither drinking tea neither they are drinking coffee. So 600 minus of 275 will be 325. Okay, so 325, guys, that will be your answer. Okay, these kind of questions, it is a very simple question, but many of the students, what they do here, they take 275 to be the answer itself. Okay, so that will not be, guys. You have to eliminate the values here. Fine, understood? So that's it, guys, about the entire concept of sets. Directly the questions that will be asked on the basis of sets, these are the direct questions. Now on the basis of this, there are certain questions which can be asked, guys, in the terms of relations and functions topic. Relations and functions topic basis mele, sorry, in that topic, on the basis of sets, the questions will be asked. So now let us focus some questions regarding the Cartesian product. Okay, so look here, guys. So first of all, understand Cartesian product means we keep on relating the elements. Elements anna ನಾವು relate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. For example, here let me take this question itself. If A set is equal to A comma B, set B is equal to B comma C, set C is equal to C comma D, find Cartesian product of A and B. Okay, this is not A cross B, guys, we should not read it like that. This is Cartesian product of A and B union Cartesian product of A and C. Okay, that is the first value here. So initially let us calculate, let us determine the Cartesian product. What is Cartesian product? Here, guys, Cartesian product, it is the product of two sets. Whenever we want to take in the product of two sets, Cartesian product is applied. Cartesian product ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವ್ರಿ, we usually go up with the ordered pairs, guys. Okay, we go up with what? We go up with the ordered pairs. See, if this is the first element here, whichever set is represented in the first format, elements belonging to that set should be chosen first. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಎ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ, they form one pair. Correct? A is related with B now. Now A comma C, we are relating what? A comma C in form of an ordered pair. Okay, so now next what is remaining? B is remaining. So now we are going to pick up B and B we are going to relate, B comma B, and then it is B and C, guys. Then it is what? B comma C. Okay, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ರಿ, ಆ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗೇಬಲ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಿ ಕಾಮ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೆನ್ ದಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಟ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಎ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಸಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ and B, guys. Cartesian product of A and B. Now in the similar fashion, in the similar case, we need the Cartesian product of A and C. Cartesian product of A and C. So what we have to do here, it is set A. Set A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. A, C. So that will be first A, C, and then A, D, A, D. Okay, then it is B, C, and then it is B, D. So this will be the Cartesian product. Now important point here, guys, please remember, here it is A Cartesian product B. That is how we read it. If I take in the Cartesian product of B and A, okay, in case if I take in Cartesian product of B and A, what do I do? I'll take first the elements of set B. Set B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. It is B, A. Okay, and connect it with the elements in the second set here, which is A. Okay, I've connected B with A. Now I'm connecting B with B, B, B. Then B is over, then it is C, A, and then it is C, B, B. Now if you look in here, guys, Cartesian product of A and B, Cartesian product of B and A, they are not equal. Okay, they are not the same. They are not same here. They are completely different. Here the ordered pairs are different, and here also the ordered pairs are completely different. So always remember that, guys, Cartesian product of two elements is not commutative in multiplication. Commutative law of multiplication will not apply, will not hold true for Cartesian products. Okay, Cartesian product ಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. But if you observe here, what can we say? Number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B will be equal to number of elements in Cartesian product of B and A. Okay, the number of elements here, 1 2 3 4, 4 ordered pairs. Here also 1 2 3 4, 4 ordered pairs. So the number of elements Cartesian product alli number of elements enirtavalri, that the condition will be same, they will hold true. Okay, and this condition of this commutative multiplication is different. Here the number of elements itself is different. Now here one more important thing, if you observe here, guys, the number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B, number of elements in Cartesian product of B and A, right? So in set A there are how many elements? 2 elements, right? See, let me just write it down. 2. In set B there are how many elements? 2 elements, correct? 2 elements. So 2 into 2 will be 4, right? And how many there are number of elements in Cartesian product? 4. So what does this mean? This means that the number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B will be equal to number of elements in Cartesian product of B and A, which can be calculated as number of elements in set A multiplied with number of elements in set B. Okay, if you want the number of elements in Cartesian product, guys, Cartesian product ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು? ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ Cartesian product of AB that we have here already. This is the value. Cartesian product of AC, that too we have here already. And they are asking us the union format. Okay, they are asking us union of Cartesian product of AB and AC. Fine. So now see here, AB, that is the first ordered pair, AB. Then it is AC. AC is also present here, so AC. Then it is BB. Union, guys, union andre ella elements barita hogteve. Then it is BC. BC is also present here. Okay, BC. Then it comes to AD. Then it comes to BD. Okay, B, D. So these are the union format. This is the union format, guys, that we needed. Now coming back to the next question here, Cartesian product of A and B intersection C. We need the Cartesian product of A and B intersection C. So first we are going to look at B intersection C. What is B intersection C, guys? Only C here. Okay. A and B intersection C. So what is set A? Set A has been given already as A comma B, right? So A comma B, and here B intersection C is C. Okay. So set A is A comma B, and then what is set C? Sorry, set B intersection C, that is nothing but C. So now if you want the Cartesian product, guys, Cartesian product, always remember we write them in an pair format. So Cartesian product of A, the first element will belong to A, so A comma C and B comma C. A comma C and B comma C. So this is the Cartesian product of A and B intersection C. Okay, so A comma C and B comma C, that is what the element will be, guys. Understood? Very simple question. Cartesian product question this is, guys, that we have looked in. Cartesian product anna ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Okay. Okay, guys. So I don't think you have any doubts here, guys. Okay, no doubts, right? Very easy this part is. If you have any doubts, guys, please ask. No doubts idre keli, guys. See, for about relating to relations and functions, guys, relations and functions, I have already covered up the the concept, guys. Adannu nanu cover up madidane. Relations and functions, already the videos are uploaded on YouTube, so check out those videos. If you have any problems, guys, you can let us know. Okay, so now we'll consider some more problems, guys. Okay, so let us take in the next question, guys. So this, I think, will be the last question on the basis of sets. This is a 3-mark question. Okay, 3-mark question. So just read the question, guys. Okay, so this is a 3-mark question, so I'll solve 2 3-mark question, and that will be the closure of our topic set. So see here, A, B and C be sets, then show that A intersection B union C will be equal to A intersection B union A. Sorry, pardon me, guys. Okay, So here the values are not been given guys. Values ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, will have to assume up guys. Okay, we'll have to assume up the sets. So we'll do one thing. We'll take set A to be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we'll take set B to be some set. Okay, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, maybe 2, 3 and 4. And then we'll take set C to be equal to 5, 6 and 7. Fine. Now what we have to do, just we have to substitute guys. Especially this kind of question guys will not be asked in your examination because sets will definitely be given. Okay, just I pick this up so that we'll have to assume up the details here. So first of all, we'll take in A intersection B union C. Okay, so what is set A guys? 1, 2 and 3. This is set A. Intersection B union C. What is B union C here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Correct. Union C format andre ella elements anna ನಾವು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. Okay, so this is A intersection B union C. So now what is the intersection value? Intersection means the common elements. There are only two common elements here, which are 2, 3. Okay, so A intersection B union C value is 2, 3. Okay, so now what we need, A intersection B union A intersection C, that is the value I need. A intersection B, okay, union A intersection C. So what is A intersection B guys? A and B. What is A intersection B? 2, 3, right? Those are the only two common elements here. 2, 3 is A intersection B. Then it comes to union A intersection C. A is here and C is here. What is common here? Nothing is common. 5, 6, 7. It is 1, 2, 3. Right? There is nothing common here. So this will be what? This will be just an empty set. Right? So now we need the union value. What will be the union given here? 2, 3 and an empty set. So the elements that we need guys are nothing but 2, 3. Okay? So this is it guys. That's the same value here. Only that they have twisted it out. Okay, just ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆದೇನೋ ಇಲ್ಲ really. Okay, so now can we move on to the next question guys? Okay, so take in this question guys, try to solve this question. We have already solved these kind of questions. Once again, just try to solve it out. Okay, so this is the question guys. This is your question, so try to solve this question guys. So just go through the question guys, you'll be able to understand. In a town of 10,000 families, it was found that 40% families buy newspapers, 20% buy newspaper B, 10% families buy newspaper C, 5% families buy A and B, B and C, 4% buy A and B. Correct. So these are the details guys. On the basis of details, we'll have to deal up with the values here. We'll have to calculate the question that they have asked us. So here what can be done guys? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So just look the question. First of all, read the question and understand the question. This is a 3-mark question guys that they have asked you. Okay. So see here guys, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. See, now let us initially take 40% families by newspaper, will take that to be number of elements in set A. Okay, of course they are all in percentage format guys, we are not worried about that now. Initially let us just calculate. First of all ಇದನ್ನ calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ನಂತರ solve ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. Okay, so number of elements in set A is what guys? Number of elements in set A is given to be 40, and then number of elements in set B guys, number of elements in set B is given to be 20 newspaper reading, and then number of elements in set C is 10. We'll do one thing guys, take this question as an assignment. I'll explain you this question. Okay, you can try solving this one. See, now what they have given, families by set A and B. Okay, A and B together, that means what? Intersection of A and B. Intersection of A and B is what guys? 5%. And then intersection of B and C that they have given, intersection of B and C is what guys? 3. And then they have given intersection of A and C, intersection of A and C is given as what? 4. Okay, and then only 2% families buy all the 3 newspapers. All the 3 newspapers, only 3% means this is what guys? This is a common value. A intersection B intersection C, which is 2. So for the first pattern here, number of families which buy newspaper A only, so number of elements in A minus of number of elements in A intersection B minus of number of elements in A intersection C, right? Because we have to eliminate all those values guys. If you want only the A part, we have to eliminate all those, right? Plus of number of intersection of A, B, C. Why? According to De Morgan's law. According to De Morgan's law guys, this will be added in the last basis. Okay, so we are applying according to De Morgan's law. So set A ಅಲ್ಲಿ A intersection B, A intersection C elements ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ eliminate ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ common element A intersection B intersection C, that will be common to all the 3. It means it belongs to all the elements. It is even present in A, even in B, and even in C, right? So on that basis guys, we will be applying this one. Okay na? So apply this standard, you will get the answer guys. And this one, of course, n of A union B union C, total minus of n of A union B union. Okay, so go through this question guys, take this question as an assignment. Will definitely consider it in the next question. It is very easy guys, just a 3 mark question. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆದೇನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ really. The only new term that you are looking for is the A part here, the number of families which buy newspaper A only. Okay, that is for 3 sets. Okay, so take this question as an assignment, and that is it guys. That is about the that's it about the sets topic that has been given in the first PU basic mathematics. Okay, and for the next part guys, relations and functions I've already covered on YouTube, so check out those videos too. We'll be covering up a new topic in the next class guys. So of course I'll upload all this PDF here in the Telegram channel, UN Karnataka PUC. So join up the Telegram channel, you'll be able to easily find out all the notes format guys. Okay, so any doubts guys here, any doubts related, you can ask. See, the questions that I have solved with respect to the first PUC basic mathematics, these questions are more than enough. ಇದರಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ questions solve ಮಾಡೋದು necessary ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, sets basis ಗೆ. Okay, for the topic of sets I have covered up all the important questions. Very easy topic, very easy questions, not at all a conceptual difficulty here. But if you have any difficulties guys, you can definitely let us know. Do subscribe guys, do subscribe to our channel, like the video. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೈಸ್, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೂ, ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And download our app, Unacademy Learners app. Of course we have launched up the course there too guys. You can join up our courses there. Of course you can use the code RIO10, that you will be availing discount ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. MTPs, RTPs, doubt sessions and all those things definitely will be covering up in the app guys. Okay, so that is it for today. Do like the video guys. Take care, and thank you once again all of you for joining us. Be seeing you again guys in the next class. Okay, so bye guys.